Yabona inkunzi, mugging, or I think that's what they call it. It's one of the most ancestral karmic events that one would experience. You will never experience inkunzi if it doesn't have any ancestral meaning. Trust me, Nas. You would never. Unless uthwaliswe or wembathiswe ithunzi lakhona, then you will experience it. But inkunzi is a very ancestral karmic event. And when it happens, Gwena, you need to study it, how it happened, so that you get the meaning yayo, ukuthi what was actually the meaning behind. If bayafika, then they harm you. It's either bayakushaya or they step you or they bakudubula or whatsoever. That is a meaning. Ivezulaga labantu abadala Gwena. It's either they've been communicating with you for the longest time that there's something that you need to do, but awuyenzi. Now, sekuze kwafika la becasuka khona, then njengoba sebabonisa ulaga lwabo Gwena, now they are harming you. Sometimes ulaga labo baliveza kuwe kanti abakwatelanga wena, abathukuthelanga wena, but actually bakwatele that particular parent, uma wakho noma ubaba wakho, or that particular family ekumele ikulungisele izinto. They've been communicating nabo, they've been telling them ukuthi kumele bakwenzele into esona, so makumele wenzelwe imbeleko or makumele wenzelwe whatever le ekumele wenzelwe yona. They've been communicating but abakwenzi. Sekufike la baze becasuka khona njengoba sebeveza ulaka labo kuwena. Now it's more like they are saying ngcono siyithathe lengane because of lo mntana ukhalela thina, lengane ikhalela thina, and thina sitshela nini ukuthi kumele nenze 1 no 2 no 3 khona sizokwazi ukuyisiza kulento ekhala ngayo. Asikhona ukumenzela 1 no 2 no 3 nina ningakakwenzi lokhu kumele ngabe niyakwenza. So that is why sebaveza ulaka labo kuwena. So it's more like they're saying we rather execute, we rather eliminate this child khona kuzoba khona ukuthula, because clearly anifuni ukwenza lento ekumele niyenzile. Sometimes futhi ungathi ubanje inkunzi bafike bakuthathela imali, bafike bakuvulisa bathi khipha vula ama-app ukhiphe and all of that. That is a representation yokuthi inhlanhla yakhe yathwetshulwa, inhlanhla yakhe yathathwa, or kukhona odlalela phezu kwamathuna sekhaya, or wena they've requested something from you, wathi uzobenzela imali uma uyithola, manje imali usunayo awusakwenzi. So kucasukele lithongo elikupha isinkwa semihla ngemihla. Sekuyilona ke manje ukuthi yini ungenza isiduphu, because ancestors do listen, guys. They do listen, whether into uyiphahlele noma uyikhulume ngomlomo or uyikhulume ngenhliziyo, okusala imessage izofika kubona ukuthi isifiso sakho ukuthi uyenze uthola imali, awunawo amandla ukuthi uyenze, but isifiso sakho ukuthi but manje usunayo ke leyo mali leyo, you are no longer doing that, usubheke ezinye zezinto, then that is when now bebonakalisa ulaka labo wena. Sometimes you are losing the connection to that particular ancestral side, be it your paternal side or your maternal side. When you are losing the connection, it's when now bafike bakuthathele i-laptop, bafike bakuthathele ifoni, or they take i-laptop or ifoni, whatever that they are taking. It's not ukuthi abanawo amandla ukuthi bakutrape, ukuthi bakushaye and bakhame or do whatever. They can actually do that, but that is not where the meaning is. The message, it's all about you losing a connection. That is why they are taking what connects you, which is your laptop and your cell phones. It's what you use to connect to other people. So that's where the meaning is. Sometimes futhi inkonzi yazenzani, it attracts the same people of the similar problem nawe. It surrounds the day ilanga ezofika ngalo wena, it makes sure that uhleli nalabantu laba who have the similar problem efana neyakho. Ningahamba no3 ningabangani, kuvele kuma imoto ivele bafike banithathela amafoni, bafike banithathela amafoni. You guys have a similar problem, all of you. That is why ithema locator yakulocata nabantu abanayo. Sometimes kube khona onganayo leyo problem leyo but kube kuthi the two mhlambe inayo leyo problem leyo, nithi uma niphume endlini nithi niyothenga utshwala or niyothenga amabhiyodo whatsoever, yena ayishiye ifoni yakhe bese nina noyithu nihambe nawo amafonini bafike bathathele nina, yena bangamenzi nix futhi bangamenzi nix, aphakamise nje avele athuke bese bafike bathathele nina emaqeda bese baphume kini bahamba. Yena he or she didn't have that problem, yini ebinena leyo problem, you guys have the same similar problem. Sometimes futhi inkunzi ayifiki physically but ifika ngamaphupho, but once it arrives ngamaphupho isuke ingasekho ancestrally but isuke spiritually. Isuke inkinga ikwelika moya, isuke ingekho emathongweni. You dream of it. It's either you dream yourself mhlambe upake imoto parking lot uthi uma ufika imoto yakhe ayikho uyicinge yonke indawo uzuyithola endaweni ocabanga ukuthi bongacabanga ukuthi la bongayipakanga khona, uphupha ulahleka ungayiboni indlu yakini la uhlala khona wherever where you stay. Uphuphe ushiwa itrain, uphuphe ushiwa ibhasi, seseyinkunzi leyo, but now it's in a spiritual form of it. It's more like you are losing a connection, but the connection you are losing it in the spiritual side of it, not in the ancestral side of it. Sometimes inkunzi futhi ifike ngezimo zomhlaba, ingafiki physical, ungabanjwa inkunzi but ifike ngezimo zomhlaba, whereby now the meaning is you are losing an identity, you are suffering from an identity crisis. It's when now you are losing your ID, ulahle the most important documents. When ulahle ID, ulahle your matric certificate, all these documents that are necessary. Uthi uyahamba uyosanela imali ye-UIF kuneyimali kumele ziphume, uthi ubhala ufila amafomu, ubhale ID wrong or ubhale isibongo wrong, uhambisa amafomu, afika amafomu uthana amafomu wrong, qalela phansi. Kube khona nje into evalayo ukuthi imali zingaphumi and all of that. You are suffering from an identity crisis. You need to fix up leli thongo that represent your identity so that whatever le ekumele uyithole izolunga. Sometimes such things might happen only to find out that you are in a wrong relationship. The person onaye is shadowing your identity. Isithunzi sakho awusasazi. You've taken all your being, wayinikezela kulo muntu lo, your whole entire piece is isikulo muntu lo. That is when now imali yakho yakaref imali zakho aziwazi ukuphuma everything because of le mali mama iphuma uzoyishare nalo muntu lo, and of which your ancestors they don't want that. So they want you to have your own identity, to reclaim your own identity. So once you reclaim it bese imali ziyaqhaqheka ziyavuleka, but all of that was not happening because wena you were losing your own identity. Inkunzi futhi yagezelwa, you cleanse for it. Ifana ne-rape. Once you don't cleanse for it, if it happens once and you don't cleanse for it, it will keep on coming back empilweni yakho. It will keep on coming back. But now maseyibuya, ayisabuyi njenge sign or like a meaning that comes from the ancestral side or from the spiritual side, but isibuya as umkhokha, as ithunzi elibi, ithunzi elimnyama phezu kwempilo yakho because wena awuligezelanga. Now it will keep on. Sekwenzakalani manje? Leli thunzi elimnyama elikwena, now it's attracting people abasebenza ngalo moya wenkunzi or abasebenza ngalo moya we-rape. That is, or abanalo moya walenkunzi, abanalo moya we-rape. That is when now isidonsela ngabotsotsi, abotsotsi sebaqala bayakusondela ke manje. Now and again it keeps on happening. That is why it's rare to find umuntu owarepiwa, warepiwa once empilweni yakhe, once. But most of rape victims, it's either twice or three times or multiple times because akaligezelelanga leli thunzi. Leli thunzi elikene now selidonsa again and again, lokulidonsa abantu abanalomkhokha, abantu abanalomoya lokule abasondela. If warepiwe ekhaya, warepiwa malume, you find yourself urepiwa futhi girlfriend, boyfriend yakho irape again. Mangase boyfriend kusukele komfana nje akubamba inkunzi akurape, usukele nje like ingakulandelela to a point yokuthi ngisho noma usumdala urepiwe izizukulwana sakho owasikhulisa because you never cleansed for that. Lelo thunzi lela zange uzususa, zange uzukhathe loyo mkhokha nawe. Ngisho noma inkunzi uzobanjwe ngisho nawe umngani wakho ukhule naye, bakutshontshele ifoni endlini, bafika abangani bakho bahlale nayo then baphume nefoni yakho bahambe nayo. Awugezelanga, azange uze uhlambululele loyo mkhokha lowo.